those who will be joining, message your name so that I'll continue according to that. In comment section, I want your name. Okay, those who are joining. Okay, first let's start out with the Olympiad Maths. In comment section, write your name. Okay, Harshvardhan. So I'm starting with you only. So send me some pics. Those who are joining, message your names. According to that, we'll go on work. So first I'm starting with Harsha. So already you shared me some pics. Can you hear me clearly? Okay, Sumashri. Suma. For Tanu, first you'll write down table 4 and send to me. I'll be sending few maths questions in your WhatsApp. You complete that and give to me. And Suma, yesterday we completed 2 chapters. Okay, yesterday we completed 2 chapters of social. If you have questions, write down those and send it to me. From those questions, I'll be conducting test. Okay, Monica, if you remember, yesterday we did 7.1. You need to give last 3 questions test. If you have any difficulty, you can send that in comment section. I'll explain that question once again. Along with that, I'll be completing examples of chapter 7 and 7.2 also I'll explain. So first I'm starting with Harshvardhan. So Harsha, for you, this is the first page which you shared. I don't know page number. Its page number is not clear. First question, in the given figure, W, X, Y, Z represents number in the interval indicated. Which fraction represents the largest value? So here, question is given in this way. Moksha, you can continue with the... Okay, Chaturya. Yesterday we completed social big answers test. You need to write. Then I'll explain you maths multiples and factors we were doing. You send that pics to me in WhatsApp group. Okay, so here the numbers are given like 0. Harsha, this is for you. Here W is there, 0.5, then 1, 1.5 and 2. Numbers are in this way. So here W is there, then next number X is there, then the next number Y, then the next number Z is there. So that is in between. If we make this from decimal to fraction, okay, which fraction represents the largest value they're asking? So if you are converting them into the fractions, it will be like 5 upon 10. Here 5 is there, before 5 point is there. So we can write it as like 1 upon, like 5 upon 10. Thus it is 1 by 2. So now you can see that here it is half. So what about the number line here? If this number is representing half, this is 1, this is 1.5, this is 2. So in between it will be like 0.5. Once again, we'll draw the number line here. It's 0, then 0.25, then 0.5. There is increase of 0.25, 0.25, then 0.5, then 0.75, then comes 1. Then again 1.25, then 1.5, then the next number 1.75, so on. So when you see these numbers, you can see here W is representing 0.25. Here the W is there. Then 5. Then next number is X. So here in between 0.5 and 1 there is X. So this is nothing but No, these are questions I'm explaining. I'm not writing the answers. How to solve that explanation is going on. Okay, I'm not giving the answers directly. Okay, Suma, I think you asked only writing questions. You need to write question and answer both, Suma. Write down answers. Soon this rain will get over, you can come and submit me notebook. I'll correct and give. Give the test of both the chapters. If suppose now you are like able to come, you and Tanu can come. Check out outside. If it is not raining too much, you both can come. So those who feel comfortable to come, they can come. Otherwise, continue in the online. So 0.25. So this is for Harshvardhan and Navneet if you joined. So here we wrote the numbers. Now W is representing 0.25. After that, so you can see in the question here, how the question here, the first number is 0, 0.25, then 0.5, 0.75, 1, then 1.25, then 1.5, then 1.75. So W is representing 0.25. Give yesterday's test. Yesterday's test. Yesterday you learned questions, no? Also prepare and give. And X is representing 0.75. Y is representing 1.25. Then Z is representing 1.75. So here they have given the different values. We need to compare which fraction is greater. They ask which is the largest value. Now the first comparison is X upon W. So how can we write X upon W? Harsha, are you saying? Harsha? Can you get the answer? So here X upon W is there. So what is X here? It's 0.75. Y is 1.25. We'll remove decimal. Both the number comes in 25 table. 25 3s are 75. 25 5s are 125. So the answer is 3 by 5 for the first option. Now compare the second option. Second option is Y upon X. What is Y here? In this case, Y is 1.25 and X is 0.75. Again, leave the decimal and cancel out. 25 3s are 25 5s are. This is 5 by 3. This is 3 by 5. When we compare both the fractions, always improper fraction is greater than proper fraction. So how we can differentiate it? Here this is given 3 by 5. It is a proper fraction. Proper fraction is always less than 1 as the denominator is greater. And here it's improper fraction. 5 by 3. It is always greater than 1 and this will be always less than 1. So when we compare, here second fraction is greater. Now let's go for the third one. Third is given Y upon W. Now Y is 1.25. W is 0.25. So here 25 1s are, 25 5s are. So this we are getting 5. So most probably this is the greatest value. Now the next fourth option is given W by Z by W. Z value is 175 and W value is 25. 25 1s are, 25 6s are. Okay, so this is the answer. Is it clear? Harsha, solution got over. So fourth option we got answer as 6. Fourth option answer is 6. Third option is 5. Then first one is 3 by 5. Second one is 5 by 3. So among all, 6 is the greatest one. So the highest value is fourth one. For first question, answer is option D. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1, answer is D, Z by W. Is it clear? So yeah, once again I am writing this for your convenience so that you will get it clearly. The first option, x by w, which we got as 3 by 5. Second option, we got y by x as 5 by 3. Third option, we got 5. And the fourth option, we got 6. In the question it was asked, which is the largest one? So the largest one is fourth one. So this is correct answer. Is it clear? Okay, I'll be sending question in the group how I did the solution. Once you follow out, and you and Navneet, both of you repeat it. By that time, Moksha, if you have any difficulty, you can send it to me. Leela, go and see that. అక్కడ ఒక పెద్ద thick book ఉంటుంది, ఆ book తీసుకురా table మీద, and then switch off fan there. Moksha, to you I'll be explaining to you, and Kirti if joined. Kirti, are you there? లావుగున్న బుక్ కవర్ చేసి ఉంటుంది, లావుగా ఇంత లావుగా ఉంటుంది బుక్, బ్రౌన్ కవర్. పెద్దది కాదు, చిన్న సైజే లావుగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే హర్ష, ఐఎమ్ సెండింగ్ ద పిక్ ఇన్ గ్రూప్. సో వన్స్ యు అండ్ నవనీత్ ఫాలో అవుట్ దాట్. నేను తెచ్చుకుంటాను వెళ్ళి. బుక్కి నోట్బుక్కి నీకు డిఫరెన్స్ తెలీదా? టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ అంటే ఏంటి తెలుసా? ఆ లావుగా అక్కడి నుంచి కింద నుంచి కనిపిస్తుంది బుక్, చూడు ఎదురుగా, ఇటు సైడ్. Moksha, are you there? Moksha? Moksha, are you there? Okay, Kirti and Moksha, even Monica, this question is common for three of you. Harsha and Navneet, if you complete your work, inform me so that I'll explain you next question. Okay, here question is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. So this is how we are going to solve. So as you know that whenever the rationalization sum is there, we need to go for rationalization first. So we will rationalize it. Root 3 minus 1. Here taking the opposite sign of that. root 3 plus 1. Whatever the denominator is there, we need to take opposite of that. Here plus is there, so we are going to multiply minus. Root 3 minus 1. Now, both the terms are same. So, we get whole square, a minus b whole square. This is a plus b, a minus b. Thus, it is a square minus b square. Repeating once again, if the terms are same, it will be a minus b whole square. If the terms are different, it will be a square minus b square. Now, here whole square identity we need to write. Moksha, Kirti, Monika. Monika, are you there? So, here we need to write the whole square identity. A square minus 2ab. So, this is first term, this is second term. 2ab plus b square. Whole divided by root 3 square is 3, 3 minus 1. Now, root 3 square is 3, 3 root, so here 2 we are multiplying by root 3, so thus it is root 3. Tanu, I am sending, wait for few minutes only. Suma, to you also, Rakshit came, I will send questions to you. You can give direct test or you can learn the next chapter. Only 1 minute. After completing this question, I will send you. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 whole divide by 2. We can take 2 common from both the terms. So 2 is taken common. So here we left out with 2 minus root 3 whole divide by 2. Thus 2 will get cancelled. We got the answer as 2 minus root 3. So this we are going to compare with a plus b. So here LHS we got 2 minus root 3 and RHS is a plus b root 3. Now compare the first number as the whole number is a. So here a is 2 and the root part is b. Already root 3 is there. So whatever the coefficient of that root, that is the b. So here a is 2 and b is minus 1. Is it clear to Kirti and Moksha? Kirti and Moksha, is it clear? Okay. So here Kirti and Moksha, I am sending this question along with few questions of this type. You start solving them. If you are not getting, message me the number, that will I explain again. So sending the questions in group. Even Monica, you also can do the same questions. Harsha, solve for the next question if you are getting. In group, questions are there. Once you go through with the solution which is given, and then later on you can solve out remaining questions. Suma? Monica, solve that question. You also have to solve. Suma, are you there? Okay, Suma, sending you one chapter question answers. You start learning. Yesterday you did chapter number 1 and 2. So today I'll be sending third chapter question answers to you. So complete exercise I'll be sending. Once you complete, if say to me, I'll make you call and then I'll ask you all question answers. Monica, you also solve it. I told to you only. Suma, once you check whether you can read the question answers or not, I send you in the group. Harsha, if you are completed, I'll start the next question. Kirti, you also have to solve. Questions are there in the group. Harsha, are you there? Harsha. Harsha, are you there? So now the 3 members are there. I don't know who are there. So as per that, I'll start solution. Okay, Suma, listen. I'm reading the questions. Listen carefully. Okay, Navneet, are you there? Suma, for you, questions. The first one, I'm the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Suma. Suma. Suma and Tanu. Only ma'am word is there. Will you say who are there? I want the names. As per that, I'll start explanation. If Harshvardhan is there, then I'm going to continue with Harsha's work. No response. Okay. Harsha, let's continue. I'm explaining next questions to you. Completed that question, Harsha, which I explained. First one. This one. If completed, then I'm starting the next one. And the second question. Suma, sending Tanu's work. I forgot. Suma, will you write some sums to her? Write and give addition sums to her. Single digit only. And some ascending numbers. Okay, second question, Harsha, it is given there are certain number of red ball, green ball and blue balls in the bag. Of the bag, in the bag 1/3 red and 2/3 are blue. The number of green balls in the bag is 8 less than twice the number of blue balls. Find the number of green balls in the bag. So it is given there are certain number of red balls, green balls and blue balls. So here we don't know 3 kind of balls are there. Red, green and blue. So here 3 variety of balls are there. One is red. Okay. Some green balls are there. Some red balls are there. And some blue balls are there. It's not given which kind of balls are there. Okay. So here of the balls in the bag, 1/3 are red. So it's given 1/3 balls are red. So red balls are 1/3. So this is 1/3. Then next is given the number of and 2 by 7 is blue. The number of green balls in the bag is 8 less than twice the number of blue balls. So it is given double of this, then 8 less. So double of blue ball will be 2 multiplied by blue ball minus 8. It's given green ball is double of blue ball minus 8. So your double of blue ball, 2 to 4, 4 upon 7 minus 8. Now get LCM for that. Keeping 1 in denominator, multiply 7 to both numerator and denominator. Thus it is 7 upon 4 minus 8 sevens are 56 upon 7. So here the number of green balls in the bag is 8 less than twice the number of blue balls. So it is minus 52 upon 7. Find the number of green balls in the bag. So here total number of balls are not given. If we add all together, it will be total number of balls. Of the balls in the bag, 1/3 are red and 2/7 are blue, and number of green balls in the bag are 8 less than twice the number of blue balls. Find the number of balls in the bag. Okay, Harsha, here in question number 55, there is some mistake. Okay, in the question, they must give Tanu, give 10 questions to her. Harsha. Harshvardhan, are you there? Only Tanu is there? Suma and Tanu? Okay, Tanu, Suma, I'm writing questions. You copy down these questions for your sister. Or I'll send the, note down, Nana. It's open, I think. Go. Suma, you and Tanu can come. Okay. Harsha, I was explaining question to you. I thought like you are not there. So I stopped it. So here the question was, there are certain number of red balls, green balls and blue balls in the bag of the balls. So in this question, some printing mistake is there. There must be the number of balls in the bag. So they have not given total number of balls in the bag. So here, so we'll rectify that question. Now recycling 1 ton of paper will save 24 trees. If 4 schools such recycle 3/4 of the tons of paper, how many total tons of trees will be saved? Third question. Recycling 1 ton of paper will save 24 trees. Harsha, to you I am explaining the next question. Recycling 1 ton of paper will save 24 trees. So here tons, here when 1 ton is there, number of trees can be saved is 24 trees. Then the number of if 4 schools each recycle 3 by 4 of the ton of paper, how many trees can be saved? Total 3 by 4 tons they are saving. Like that 4 schools are there. So we'll multiply 4 with that. 4 and 4 they are in division, so it will get cancelled. Now once again make the question 1 ton 24. If 3 tons are there, how many? We have cross multiplication. So thus it is 24 multiplied by 3. They can save 72 trees. Is it clear? So first you get the question thoroughly. In the question it is given 1 ton of trees can be saved. If 1 ton of paper is recycled, they can save 24 trees. If 3/4 of that ton is recycled, like that total 4 schools are there. So they multiplied it by 4. 4 and 4 got cancelled. So now we are having 3 tons. For 3 tons, how many trees can be saved? Number of trees is question mark. Now we'll have cross multiplication. 24 multiplied by 3. So here answer is 72. 72 trees can be saved. Now explaining one more question to you. Sneha gave away 3/8 of her stickers and had 45 stickers left. How many stickers did she have at the first? So in the question it is given. This is third question. That is 57th one. It is given Sneha gave away 3/8 of her stickers. So let she have X. Okay, total number. As we don't know, we'll take it X. Out of that, she gave away 3/8 of the sticker. So here, X minus 3/8 of X. As she has given 3/8. So how many will be left? So here, whatever the number is single, we'll put 1 below that. And here in denominator 8 is there, so that we will multiply to both the number. Harsha explaining to you. So here 3 by 8 is there, and here nothing was there, so I kept 1. The number which is in denominator, that we will multiply to both numerator and denominator. So it is 8x minus 3x upon 8. Maths textbook. Thus it is 5x upon 8. Simply 8 minus 3 and this x we will place aside. Don't get confused that you never learned like this type of questions. It's simple only, just one extra letter we are using. Okay. So here, next step, this is given. The leftover one are equal to 45. Okay. She was having 45 stickers left. So this number we will compare with 45. So the next part, 5x upon 8 is equal to 45. Now we'll multiply it. There is cross multiplication. 5x is 8 multiplied by 45. Though these questions you feel like little difficult, Kirti, 1 minute, I'll see the question. Second question you got A as 5 and B as minus 1. Check that second question answer. So here x is 8 into 45 and 5 is in division. So this we will shift it to denominator. A is 8. Kirti, it's wrong. A is 8 and B is 3 for second question. Once I'll explain. Okay. So now 5 nines are 45. Divided these two numbers. Now remaining number you need to multiply. 8 nines are 72. So the correct answer is 72. How many are left with her? So 72 stickers are left with her. Harsha, is it clear or you want me to explain again? Harsha, is it clear? See here, the first it was given, once again saying to you, that she was having total X number of stickers, out of which 3 by 8 are used. So left one will be, she gave away is given, means she used it. So that we are subtracting from X. So this denominator I multiplied to both the numbers. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 upon x. So this number is equal to 45. Then we have cross multiplication. Have cross multiplication and find out the value of x. Clear? I'll be sending pic to you. Harsha, once you solve both the questions. If you got it. Okay, very good. Though the question is a little difficult, you are getting it's very nice. Okay, one more question is there. Find the fraction. So I'll explain few more questions, then I'll send you all together. Next question is given. Find the fraction obtained on evaluating the given expression. So here we are having fractions in simplification. So here the question is given 1 by 1.5 plus 3 by 4 multiply by 6 by 3 divide 1 by 4. So here we will follow the same BODMAS rule. Okay. So here first convert it into improper. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 multiply 6 by 3. As you know, BODMAS rule to be followed. First we go for division. In fractions, when we divide any number, the number will get reciprocal. So here we will reciprocal this number. So make the division to be multiplication and reciprocal the number. So it's 4 by 1. This division sign will change to multiplication and number will get reciprocal. It was 1 by 4, so I made it 4 by 1. Okay, next 3 by 2 plus this 3 and 3 got cancelled. 4 and 4 got cancelled. Now we left with 6. There is nothing, so 1. Okay. Now, if in denominator 1 is there, whatever the next fraction will be there, that number we will multiply to both numerator and denominator. Now here, 3 by 2 plus 6 2s are 12, 12 by 2. Thus the answer is 3 plus 12, 15. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 we need to convert into mixed number. So 2 7s are 14. Out of 15, if we remove 14, remainder is 1. And the same number to be repeated, so we'll write 2 in the denominator. Thus the correct answer is 7 integer 1 by 2. Option number C. Harsha, is it clear? So these all are the different kind of questions which you are learning, totally new for you. Harsha, is it clear? Okay, I'll send these questions to you once you go through with that. Okay, 57, 58th question, I think. Once you check out the questions, whether the question number is same or not, huh? Two members are there. May I know who are there? Okay, Harsha, I send the pics. Solve those questions. Totally 5 are done. If you complete, then it's well and good. We'll go for further. Tanu? Suma? Are you there? Suma? ఎవరున్నారో తెలియట్లేదు, ఒకరు ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు లేరు. కట్ అవ్వదు. నీకు చెప్పాను నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నోట్బుక్ ఇచ్చింది. Who is there? I'm unable to know the name. If you say your name, as per that I'll start explanation. Okay, next. So this is Suma, are you there? Okay, let's start out with Monica's work now. Will you give a book or white book? White book. So here it is given first question. So here it is given ABC in an isosceles triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. The bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Given in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? Where two sides are equal. Now the next it is given bisector of angle A and B. So what do we call like bisector of angle B and C? So we need to draw a bisector. They meet each other at O. So as it is bisector, so these two angles will be equal. They're meeting at O. It's given. So now we need to prove that. So here to prove, first one OB equal to OC. So we need to make these two are equal. And then moreover join OA. It's given. We need to join OA and OA bisect angle A. Second one OA bisect angle A. So that's these two angles we need to make equal. Okay. So repeating once again, it's given ABC is a isosceles triangle. Okay. OA. OA is given. AO or OA same kata. So it is bisecting angle A. Okay. So here first we will take these two triangles, or like if we produce, it's given these are the bisector. So let's start out with the proof. So here in triangle ABC, angle B equal to angle C. Okay, why B and C are equal? Because AB equal to AC, it was given. Okay, for this we need to write the reason. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. When angles are equal, their halves will be equal. Multiplying half both the side. Instead of angle half, here we can write like angle 1 and 2. So we can make angle 1 equal to angle 2. When angles are equal, the corresponding sides will be equal. So therefore, OB will be equal to OC. Just reverse the statement. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. When we are using angles property, we'll write angle opposite to equal sides are equal. If we are making the side, we'll write side opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. Now in triangle, this triangle we got these two are equal. Now we can choose these two triangles where we can make them congruent. So in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. First point, AB equal to AC. Okay, how we got AB equal to AC? It was given in the question. The second point, OA is common, that we can see in both the triangles. So it is common. Now coming to the third part, third just now we proved OB equal to OC. So it's proved above. So we can make both the triangles to be equal. So here, therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC by SSS congruency rule. Once if the triangle is congruent, we can make other parts equal. So now we will write like this to be angle 3 and angle 4 by CPCT, as we made both the triangles congruent by SSS congruency. Therefore, angle 3 equal to angle 4 by CPCT. As the angles are equal, so now the angles are equal. So when we made angles, this only we need to prove. Okay. The second one we need to prove OA bisect angle B. So first already we proved OB equal to OC. Therefore, OA bisect. Okay, now it stopped raining. So those who are attending, will you come? So this got over. Kirti, are you there? Check చేస్తున్నా. అన్ని బుక్స్ చెక్ చేయాలండి. Give a books both of you there. తనకి చెక్ చేస్తున్నా. Now it's showing 2 members. Will you say who are there? Suma, are you there? I'll correct your book now. Tanu, very good. Did all correct.
స్పెల్లింగ్ తప్పు, చండీగఢ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ తప్పు. ఉదయపూర్ ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ కాదు. సిటీ ఆఫ్ లెగ్స్ ఉదయపూర్.
Suma, I already sent you another page. You need to learn that one.
ఇక్కడ రాసేయచ్చు కదా, వేరే పేజ్ ఎందుకు రాయాలి?